common question we get asked is, what do we do when we found a wild mushroom in our fields or pots or planters? If we are not experienced in collecting wild mushrooms, we let it be. We don't cut it off. We don't break it off. We let it be. Because mushrooms help our soil. They are beneficial. They help in composting leaves and twigs, older leaves and fallen twigs and branches. So they are helpful. If we have kids which are curious, we explain to them that this is dangerous, and usually they will understand and will admire it. As we all know, mushrooms have the top, the gills and the stalk. I am no expert in recognizing them, but as usual, I prefer to leave them have their cycle, which is usually short. Usually it is around a week mostly, if the weather is good, and then they will disintegrate. Before they disintegrate, the gills will open up and spread their spores. So therefore, when we meet a mushroom, we don't pull it off. We just let it be. If we aren't experienced in collecting mushrooms. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe.